Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the delicious history of sambar, a quintessential South Indian dish that's loved for its tangy, spicy, and comforting flavors. Sambar's origins trace back to the rich culinary traditions of South India. This beloved dish, known for its tangy and spicy flavors, is a staple in South Indian households. It is often enjoyed with rice, idli, or dosa, making it a versatile accompaniment in South Indian cuisine. But did you know there's an interesting legend tied to its name? The story goes beyond just the ingredients and cooking methods. It delves into the history and culture of the region, adding a layer of intrigue to this already fascinating dish. According to folklore, sambar was first prepared in the royal kitchen of the Maratha ruler, Sambhaji Maharaj, in the 17th century. Legend has it that Sambhaji Maharaj, in the absence of his chef, attempted to cook a dish using available ingredients. He accidentally created what we now know as sambar. This serendipitous creation has since become a beloved part of South Indian cuisine, cherished by generations. The story goes that Sambhaji, the brave and adventurous son of Shivaji Maharaj, tried his hand at cooking while the head chef was away. This was during one of his visits to the southern regions of India, where he was fascinated by the local cuisine. In an attempt to experiment, he accidentally added tamarind pulp to a dal recipe. This unexpected addition created a tangy twist that everyone in the royal court loved. The unique flavor was unlike anything they had tasted before. The dish was named Sambar in his honor, forever linking his name with this delicious and iconic South Indian dish. To this day, sambar remains a staple in South Indian cuisine, a testament to Sambhaji's culinary adventure. Historically, the key ingredients of sambar, lentils, tamarind, and spices, were staples in South Indian households. Over time, sambar became a cornerstone of South Indian cuisine, evolving with regional variations across Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, and Andhra Pradesh. In Tamil Nadu, sambar is thick, rich, and often made with a variety of vegetables like drumsticks, carrots, and potatoes. The use of tamarind gives it a tangy flavor that is distinct to this region. It pairs beautifully with rice, making it a staple in Tamil households, especially during festive occasions and family gatherings. In Karnataka, sambar is slightly sweeter due to the addition of jaggery. This version often includes a mix of lentils and vegetables, creating a harmonious blend of flavors. It is often enjoyed with idlis and vadas, making it a popular choice for breakfast and snacks. Kerala has its unique spin with coconut, which adds a creamy texture and a subtle sweetness. This version is often enriched with a variety of spices and herbs. Meanwhile, Andhra Pradesh adds extra spice for a fiery kick, using a generous amount of chili peppers. This makes their sambar one of the spiciest versions, perfect for those who love heat in their food. Today, sambar is more than just a dish, it's an emotion. Whether served at grand feasts, temple meals, or street-side tiffin stalls, its comforting taste connects generations and cultures. So next time you savor a bowl of sambar, think of its fascinating journey. Born in royal kitchens, perfected in households, and celebrated across the world.